Seniors, you may have heard that chia seeds are one of the healthiest foods you can eat. These tiny black and white seeds are often celebrated in health magazines and by social media influencers as a superfood for weight management, gut health, and boosting energy. And that's true. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3s, antioxidants, minerals, and powerful fibers that can truly support your health after 60. But here's something most people don't realize. Using chia seeds incorrectly can quietly harm your digestion, dehydrate your body, block nutrient absorption, and even trigger dangerous reactions documented in real medical cases. The issue is that many treat chia seeds like a trendy topping, tossing them into water, smoothies, or desserts without preparation. Seniors, however, have slower metabolism, more sensitive digestion, and different hydration needs, so what may seem safe at 25 can become risky at 65. Today, I'm revealing the 5 chia seed mistakes that can quietly sabotage your health, from eating them dry to soaking them improperly to relying solely on them for omega-3s. By the end, you'll know how to avoid these mistakes and how to use chia seeds correctly to support digestion, protect your heart, and naturally boost energy. Mistake number 1 is using chia seeds as a fiber bomb without balance. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of fiber. Just 2 tablespoons give around 10 grams, almost a third of your daily needs. Fiber is essential for digestion, blood sugar control, and cholesterol management, but suddenly adding a large amount without preparation can overwhelm your system. Many seniors already face slower digestion, reduced stomach acid, or conditions like constipation or IBS. Adding a fiber overload can cause bloating, painful gas, unpredictable bathroom trips, cramps, and discomfort that can last hours. Fiber also needs water to move properly. Without sufficient hydration, chia can form a sticky mass in the intestines, slowing digestion and causing blockages. Research in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging shows seniors who increase fiber too quickly without more water are 43% more likely to experience bloating, constipation, and mineral absorption problems. For example, Helen, 68, from Arizona, added 2 tablespoons of chia to her smoothies daily without adjusting her diet or water intake. Within a week, she suffered severe stomach cramps and ended up in the ER with a partial bowel obstruction caused by the swelling of chia in her gut. The fix is simple. Start small, with 1 teaspoon per day, and allow your gut to adjust for a week. Drink at least a full glass of water with every serving, and aim for 6 to 8 glasses throughout the day. Mistake number 3 is mixing chia with acidic liquids too soon. Dropping chia into lemon water or apple cider vinegar without soaking prevents the seeds from forming their protective gel, which slows digestion, regulates blood sugar, and keeps you hydrated. Eating unhydrated chia with acid can irritate your stomach, cause bloating, heartburn, or acid reflux, and reduce nutrient absorption. The solution is simple. Hydrate first, acid second. Soak chia in plain water, then mix with acidic drinks, and if you have a sensitive stomach, pair with yogurt, almond milk, or oatmeal to buffer the acid. Mistake number 4 is assuming all chia seeds are the same. The color, black or white, doesn't matter as much as quality. Low-quality seeds may contain mold, bacteria, pesticides, or heavy metals, as chia absorbs whatever is in its environment. Oxidized chia oils can accelerate inflammation, damage cells, and worsen joint pain or chronic conditions. Choose certified organic chia, third-party tested, whole seeds rather than powders. Mistake number 5 is ignoring omega-3 conversion limits. The omega-3 in chia is ALA, which your body must convert to EPA and DHA to benefit your brain, heart, and reduce inflammation. This conversion is very limited. Only 5–10% of ALA becomes EPA and 2–5% becomes DHA. Seniors relying only on chia for omega-3s may experience low DHA and EPA, leading to joint stiffness, fatigue, and cognitive decline. The solution is to keep chia in your diet, but pair it with direct EPA-DHA sources like fatty fish or algae oil. Balance chia with walnuts, flax, or hemp seeds and monitor your health for signs of insufficient conversion. When used correctly, chia seeds are incredible. They support gut health, smooth digestion, stabilize blood sugar, aid weight management, reduce inflammation, strengthen bones, and fight oxidative stress for better energy, immunity, and even skin health. For seniors, the key is preparation, proper hydration, quality sourcing, and combining chia with direct omega-3 sources. Respect these simple rules, and chia can transform from a risky trend into a daily superfood that supports your body and vitality after 60. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who want to age stronger and healthier.